Hello, friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. For those who like to eat shrimp, today we will make shrimp stuffed okra. Today we will make steamed version and air-fried version. It is simple to make and is suitable for most people's taste. Remember to save the recipes quickly. And click to follow my channel because you will receive the simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support and companionship. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients are okra and shrimp paste. Shrimp paste can easily buy from grocery store at hot pot frozen section. Okra remove head and tail. Cut half and skip out seeds. Melt cornstarch evenly. Cut a hole at shrimp paste packaging. Squeeze shrimp paste into okra. Arrange okra into plates. This batch will send for steaming. Steam okra with high flame for approximately 6 minutes to 10 minutes until cooked. Wow, looks good. This batch will send for air fryer. Arrange okra nicely into plate and drizzle cooking oil on top. Air fryer at 180 degrees for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okra is cooked. Nice golden brown shrimp paste. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add 3 tablespoons hot water and stir well. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add seasoning sauce and let it simmer. Add cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. Pour out seasoning sauce and set acid. Add cooking oil and fried scooped garlic. You can add more cooking oil and saute the minced garlic until fragrant. This minced garlic oil is very fragrant. Drizzle seasoning sauce and garlic oil. Q. The air-fried version of stuffed okra and shrimp will have a smoother texture, while the okra will. It's dry and a little crunchy on the edges, which is delicious. Okra contains antioxidants called polyphenols, including vitamins A and C. It also contains a protein called lectin, which may inhibit cancer cell growth in humans. Various studies have shown okra may help control blood sugar levels. Researchers believe okra may help prevent sugar from being absorbed during digestion. Okra has a mild, almost grassy flavor that is uniquely okra. While it's sometimes compared to the taste of eggplant or green beans, its texture gets more attention. Okra is crunchy when cooked quickly but becomes almost mouth-wateringly tender when slow cooked. Steamed version to drizzle seasoning sauce and garlic oil as well. Garlic is low in calories and rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. The stuffed okra drizzled with garlic oil is really fragrant and adds an extra dimension to the dish, another flavor. The steamed okra tastes very sweet and goes very well with the shrimp paste. Okra also also called lady's finger. Okra is a flowering plant with edible seed pods. It grows best in warm climates and is often cultivated in Africa and South Asia. The vitamin C in okra helps support healthy immune function. Okra is also rich in vitamin K, which helps your body clot blood. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.